Hi, in this video we will talk about Ligo functions. To download the gist with the code, follow the link here. Ligo functions can be internal or external. When they are external, they are called entry points, and they will be the API of your smart contract. It is important to remember that function in Ligo and the arguments that are in function in Ligo are passed by copy. It means that it's not a reference and these objects are immutable. You can write functions in Ligo in two different ways, using const, myVariable, etc., or use the keyword function. Let's see the examples. So the first way to declare a function, you declare a constant with the name of your function, equal in parameter you pass the arguments, and then it has to return a body of a function, for example, or just the result like here, a plus b. So the second way to declare a function is very similar to the previous one, but you will use the keyword function. So here function add2 has the same argument of the first function and has a body, and in the body I return a plus b. Like in JavaScript, Ligo functions always have to return a result. Okay, let's talk about Lambda function now. So Lambda functions are declared inline without a name. Let's see an example. So here in the first line, I declare a function increment map that takes a list as argument and return. So a list.map, it means that it's a loop, and I will loop on each element on the list, and for each element I will increment it by 1. On the second line, I declare a L1 list. I will call this function and I will pass a list source that will be the source for the iteration. So here, for example, a list having one element that is 0. Okay, let's see another type of function called recursive functions. Recursive functions are popular, like the Fibonacci series. So let's write the function Fibonacci. So like his name said, Fibonacci here will call its own declaration function Fibonacci, so it's recursive. So Fibonacci, we use here the function Fibonacci that is itself. There are specific functions that have annotation that are called entry points. Let's have a look on some entry points. So the entry point function follow a certain convention and are pre-annotated with the @entry annotation. Thank you for watching this video and see you next time.